Just walk nice and slow and steady. Jasper!
Get back! Jasper! Go this way.
There you go, nice and steady.
Jasper.
Nice and steady, it gets a little deeper.
Go back.
So take your steps slow because it gets deep. Now veer that way. There you go, you can stand on that big rock if you want to now. You can stand on that big rock if you want to. Woo-hoo! There you go, you're all good. Stand on that big rock. Nice and slow. You're alright, you're alright. Get over here first. You're alright. It'll make it. It'll make it. Just don't turn it back on. Come on, Chad.
Got that on film.
No, get out of the way.
Stay away from go to the other side of the rock. That way, yeah, there you go. You can probably step on the rock if you want to, but it might be slick.
Is this your famous spot?
No.